In this video, I'll show you how you can copy equations from ChatGPT to Microsoft Word, because if you've tried to do this already, you may have noticed that the formatting doesn't stick. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this right now. So what we need to do is open up a new tab, then open Google and type in Web Store. Once you can do that, you can go ahead and click on the first link. That should take you to your browser's web store. Then search ChatGPT to Word. And we're going to download a specific application here. It's going to be ChatGPT to Word or PDF by ThinkSolve. So go ahead and click on this and then click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Once this has been installed, you can go back to ChatGPT and refresh your page. So now we've done that, we should have these icons appear. We can go ahead and click on the Word icon in the top right hand corner. This will then prompt you to download your ChatGPT chat as a Word document, which you can then go ahead and open. Now once you've got it opened in a Word document, you can then go ahead and copy any of these equations that you want. You can go back to your document that you're working on, and then you can just simply go ahead and paste them. As you can see now, we've pasted the math equation.